and then come back down.
Got a real bad accident here. A truck driver flipped over, smashed into the wall. All the steering parts completely gone. I mean, the accident just happened like probably 10 minutes ago. And the emergency people literally just got here. I mean, this is one bad accident. Somebody said they saw the driver move, and I don't know. But it's, wow, look at that. I mean, it is all over the place. Oh my God. I hope he's alright. The engine is literally out of the dang truck. Wow. I see his head in there, I don't know. Oh my God. Look at that. Holy shit-a-molia. Wow. That was something. I hope that guy's alright.